Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the developer badge on Discord. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we need just to go to the Discord developer portal so we can add our application, we can be able to have our badge. So basically just go to the Discord developer portal and then you will need just to go for a new application. You click new application and then you will need click on your application and just give it a name and any name. So I'm just naming it AR. And after that, you will need just to go here to both. You reset the token and just click on do it. You need just to add any verification and basically you will need just to have your token that will be copied. Click on copy and make sure you only have this token. It shouldn't be shared. And then you will need just to go to the botcost.com and then we will create a bot. So here we will need just to authorize. After that, we will need just to create our bot. So let's just add our bot token, create a bot, and then we need just to go next, next. It's only showing us. So just step this page, and then we will need just to invite our bot. But first, make sure to go to community so you can give access to our bot. So here we'll search for community on our settings and we can find it just right here. And we will find this on the server settings. So I'm just going to create a new server. This would be mine. So create my own for me and my friends. Just name it test bot and just create the server. Then we need just to search here on not the user settings, but the settings here. We go for privacy settings and then we search here and we will be able to invite our bot. So let's go first to server settings and go to enable community and basically just enable community, etc. So get started and just verify email, scan, can, media content, click next, just next and finish the setup. I agree and understand. You finish the setup. After that, you will need just to go back and then invite people, get the invitation link, you invite the server, and basically you select a server, and from here you can give it your server here, and basically it doesn't find the server, so we need just to refresh again, so we can have our server that will be here. And as you can see after refreshing, we find the testbot channel. We continue and authorize. And after that, we just go here and authorize our bot. Then it will have access into our server and just wait for it to be enabled. And now you will need just to go to your channel. And basically we need just to run a command. Just type slash and then you will need just to search for badge or just add role. We can find avatar and other uh, commands. And basically the command that we are interested in is to add a role or just have the badge. And after that, you will need just to go back to our ghost here. And basically you will find these modules and we go to the active developer badge, we enable and we save changes. And basically you will need just to manage permissions. And the command is to have active dev badge. So we go back to our server and here you will need just to add active. So let's just reload our server so we can have the command that will be added. And as you can see, we have our command. We click here and now we need just to check status. And as you can see, you've successfully executed the command and after the execution will be processed, we will have your active div badge. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.